Hey guys, hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today we are roasting vegetables and I'm using zucchinis, pumpkin, bell peppers, carrots, cauliflower and potatoes. So just wash your vegetables and then chop them into the shapes that you want. I'm going to peel the pumpkin. I don't want the peeling on. And then chop the rest of the vegetables and place them on a baking tray. Then mix some black pepper in vegetable oil and then pour the oil over these vegetables. And then I'll sprinkle some salt. You can add some paprika or turmeric in case you wish, but I just used black pepper, oil, and salt. Sprinkle, and then we are going to bake the vegetables. I'm going to bake them for about 40 minutes. So I'm just sprinkling some rosemary and I want them to have that nice flavor. I'm going to bake them at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And they will come out ready, delicious, crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. As you can see, our veggies are ready for eating. You can have them as a side dish with your meats and chicken. Thank you for watching, guys.